Hello, my fabulous friends. Daedalus Vibe is back. Yes, my fabulous friends. How are you guys doing? We are in Nike store. Yo, the Christmas is still rocking. We are still enjoying it. You see, the price is down. Nike is having a good sale. Like you are gonna be surprised. You see the price? That is so cute. Oh my god, I am in love with the white right now. This white is giving. The white is giving. This is bad either. Same price. This one. This one is 75. That one is 75 as well. Let's look right here. Let's give it 120. Oh, this is giving $40. This is cheap. $40. This one is giving 60. I like that one, the $40 one. This is giving $70. Oh, I kind of like this one. Let's see. Right here. Nice. Give it what it's supposed to be. Right here, this 120. Oh, I like this one. This is giving me. I know y'all gonna be like, you wear sneakers? I wear a lot of sneakers. I love wearing sneakers, trust me. Gonna give you some kind of elevation, you know. That's $100. Look at this one. Give you some kind of elevation with your leggings. Yeah, I love wearing sneakers. Even in this cold, I still do. This winter rather, I still do. That's $80 right away. This one right here, let's give it 60. You know, I like something like this as well. It just, you know, simple, easy. That's for that one. Easy for that one as well. Yes, let's keep looking. 50. That's for the boys. That's for the boys, I think. Yeah, I think that's for the boys. $100. How are you guys celebrating your Christmas? This is for the man. Let's keep looking. That's $100. Oh, Jordan. This is 40% off. That's 130 in total. That is cute. Look at another Jordan, yo. Yes, you know, you got to just walk around, wait to see what you want to see. Right here, they're having this way, this $70. Nike is having the crazy sales. We're gonna see what we can see. The bag is how much? $55. The bag is $55. Hey. Not bad, but boring. I said it. I said boring. Tell them I said it. That is boring. This one is not 45. Oh, look at this one. $60. Let's keep looking. Look at this one. Worst case, you get it. You have 30 days to bring it back. This is given. That's $150. I like the black as well. I like it all. Give it to me, everything. Give everything to me. Check the blue out. The blue is also not bad. Let me see. On the other side, let's see right here. Let's see what we can see right here. Like this. This is soft, light, super light. Yep, super light has something else. Ah, this is cute. This right here is so cute. 120. Different. You know what I mean? That is so different. Look at that. It's the same old same, but just have more elevation to it. You know, when you come to Nike stores, for sure, you are gonna see some cute. That's $89, $90. I like this one. I like this one as well. I like it all. With your leggings, child, you cannot go wrong with all of this at all. Let's see what else we get. That one is the same. It's the same old Nike, I know it. $80 right here. Oh, this one is pretty. Look at that. Look at this one.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope.
Oh, isn't this cute? I think I'm grabbing this one. And matches X. This is cute. This is cute. How much is it? And this comes in the blue as well. Jeez. You guys can see. I tell you, I'm gonna grab this one. This is so cute. I cannot. Let's check out this one right here. It's a set. Yes. Let's do this. Okay. Yes, my fabulous friends. The walk around is real. Let's check out Spot Check. Do not forget, we are still on our VLOGMAS day 27. I hope you're enjoying it. Let's check these out. Let's check out Spot Check. We are still walking around as usual. How much is it? The Spot Check should make absolute sense. The Nike is expensive. This is not tough. It's not solid at all. Let's see this one. Okay, this one is solid. This is solid. This is solid. It's not. You see? It's not solid now. I find it solid. Yep. When you come right here, oh, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. You come right here. That's $80, by the way. I love me the type that has the the pocket. You know that you can sneak in your phone or whatnot. You know what I mean? They're doing something like this right now. This is $75, by the way. That one is 70 and this one is 80. So this right here is $80 and this right is, I think that one is, yeah, that's 70. Oh, I like this way. I like that. I like it medium. Yeah, well, this is bad. I like it. Okay, I'm spending too much time right here. As I told you, I love me some leggings as well, some tight, you know, with some sneakers. You are good to go. You ain't got to exercise and then just look good and then. I said it. Yes, I did. Yes, my fabulous friends, thank you so much for tagging along with me on this VLOGMAS day 27. Yes, 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 we are on day 27. We are gonna push this down to day 31st. Then we're gonna see how it goes. I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am enjoying it. Going outside, seeing new things, you know what I mean? Fresh air and all of that. I will catch up with you guys later. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you very much. Happy holidays.